08 left, it is Foxtrot. I understand your minimum fuel.
Confirm is the runway 08 left for us, MS 229?
That is correct, runway 08 left. I can offer you the right side if you like, whatever you want.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Emirates 229 Heavy. We have Mayday fuel and we require runway 08 right.
Okay, I checked the Mayday Emirates. This plan runway 08 right, and I'll have the vector for you very shortly here.
Emirates 229 Heavy, thank you.
And Emirates 229, are you in need of immediate landing?
Affirmative, Emirates 229 Heavy.
Okay, would you like to land at Victoria Airport? It's about 10-15 miles closer.
Negative, we are set up for Vancouver. We'll go to Vancouver.
Okay, thanks. Emirates 229, I just want to be clear here. I can offer you either Abbotsford Airport, Victoria Airport. They are both a little closer, and they both have east-west runways, and either that or you can continue with Vancouver.
It's going to be Vancouver for us, Emirates 229. Thanks for the offer.
Okay, Vancouver it is. Right at Vancouver, is that correct? The right side?
That is correct, Emirates 229.
Okay, runway 08 right. Just advise if you need any other assistance.
Will go, Emirates 229, thank you. Emirates 229, we're leaving 12000 now.
Emirates 229 Heavy, the wind at the field at Vancouver 070 at 21 knots, gusting to 27.
Roger. Emirates 229, confirm the altimeter.
Vancouver altimeter 2922.
2922, request lower, Emirates 229.
Emirates 229 descend 5,000.
Southing 5,000, Emirates 229.
Emirates 229, can I get, when you get a minute, please, your souls on board and fuel?
Stand by.
Okay, Emirates 229, just want to verify. 367 souls on board, 367, and 1/2 hour fuel.
It's 367 and fuel is half an hour, 30 minutes.
Okay, thank you, sir. Do you have any hazmat on board?
Negative.
Roger. Emirates 229, contact arrival frequency now 1331.
1331, Emirates 229. Arrival, Emirates 229. We have Mayday, Emirates 229, heavy descending 5,000 for red vector 08 right.
Emirates 229, heavy Vancouver arrival. I checked the Mayday, sir. Descend and maintain 3,000.
Descend and maintain altitude 3,000, Emirates 229.
Emirates 229, I'm going to set you up for about a 9-mile final. Would you like something tighter than that, sir? Are you okay?
Yeah, 9 miles is fine, Emirates 229, thank you.
229, roger. Heading 350, descend to 2,000.
Right heading 350, descend altitude 2,000 feet, Emirates 229.
The intercept, cleared ILS approach, runway 08 right.
Right heading 060 and cleared ILS approach, runway 08 right, Emirates 229. Emirates 229, due to fuel constraint, in case of missed approach, we require right downwind back to runway 08 right.
Emirates 229, roger, sir, you can plan for that.
Thanks. Check for us, we're establishing localized 08 right.
Emirates 229, roger, joining about a 9.5-mile final.
Thank you. Kindly wind check for us.
Surface winds of Vancouver 070 at 24, gusting 29.
Okay. That's 229 for established LS 08 right.
Emirates 229, roger. Now 118.7.
187, MS 229, thank you then.
Good day, sir.